to win.
We are happy, very happy.
So and hostile crowd conditions with the crowd behind Goa. How you overcame all this?
Yeah, this is the second time our team winning in the national championship. The last year we are the winners in national championship, and we proud our boys for the winning 37 the national games beach football tournament. Yeah.
And so, how happy are you to see a lot of crowd for not just the final but all the matches, especially with Goa we're playing and all other matches?
Yeah, it's a tough match, Goa versus Kerala. It's Goa is a home team, and we will beat him. So we will thank you for all the audience and the organizers.
I'm saying there's a lot of crowd coming. It's it's good for Indian beach soccer.
Yeah, beach soccer. Yeah, good for the beach soccer will be promoted. This type of tournament, and organizing is good. All are very good.
So आज it is actually a sad moment, but in sports, I think the sporting spirit is more important. आमगे भुरगे बरे खेळले आज. We definitely had an expectations of gold out of them. Wholeheartedly, the entire crowd was for them. काल तेमी जे semi-finals घडोवन हाडले तेजे म्हाका दिसता कालच आमगे गोल्ड मेडल आमकां मेळ्ळी semi-finalaचे. We are happy with the sport.
See, today, today we lost the match, but I'll tell you one thing, we have given a good fight. Out of 5 days playing all continuous is not a joke on the beach or that too, and it is a very high intensive game. So we lost by 7-5. Last we had to go on top to equalize, but some decision was against us by the referee. But it is part and parcel of the game. But hats off to the boys. Boys have really played well. The full tournament.
A lot of decisions went against the goals in the final.
But see, sometimes you have to be part and parcel of these decisions, and you have to overcome it. But it was not our day. But we lost to a good team. But sometimes there are no words to say. But I'll give credit to the boys. Our boys, Goa boys, really played well.
And seeing that lot of turnout for all the matches, it's argues well for the beach soccer in Goa and for all over India.
See, beach football is a crowd pulling game, and it is really in the evening. If you have this kind of games, there will be a lot of crowd and a lot of this thing, and a lot of sponsors also will come for this game. So I appeal to All India Football Federation to have this kind at least tournament in Goa, because Goa has nice beaches. So you can have a tournament and send the team abroad also for the team.
And you talked about Indian team getting more exposure in beach soccer.
See, I had gone for the Beach World Cup in 2007 as a player, pre-World Cup in Dubai. In 2009, I coached the beach team in Bali. So it is a high time with the All India Football Federation, and All India Football Federation is doing the right thing by sending. They have sent the futsal team now. Now is the turn of the beach football team. They will send the beach football team. I hope they do it.
We are disappointed. We hope we should get a gold, but boy plays very good. This is the first time in national game beach soccer is there, and in coming years we will try our level best to get gold for Goa. Our coach Bruno, our manager Lakshman, entire team, they did well. Our player, they have put their full 100%, and locally once again I am thanking entire Goa, and especially our local MLA who has supported from first day to organize this event, and every day he is attended, and our dynamic Sarpanch also, Madam, she is also calm, and every day there was no anything lacking, like no full support they have provided. And Bandalkar and entire Goikar, thank you very much to support our team. देव बरें करूं.
कितें जाता कितलींशीं डिसिजन आसा ती तेंणी दिल ना, पेनल्टी शूट दिल ना, हँडबॉल दिल ना, कितें दिसता तुका?
सी ते आमी आतां डिक्लेअर केले रेफ्री तिजो फायनल डिसिजन आसता ते आमी कितें आसा ते टिमीशी एज पर प्रोसिजर ते आमी फॉलो करतले बट इट्स अ गेम तेका तेन्नाच डिसिजन दिवचें पडटा रेफ्री आमचेच आसा सगळे ऑल इंडिया फुटबॉल फेडरेशनाचे सो वयर खाला जाता वी कॅनॉट स्पीक
We were just talking to Bruno and he suggested that AIFF should take the lead and promote Goa as a beach soccer destination and have more tournaments like this, seeing the turnout. And you two have also said that Menzi had said that inter-village tournament will be starting in Kolwa. So this is just a step ahead for the beach soccer to take off at a more higher level in Goa.
See, as per I am ready, I have already said to he is very interested. But end of the day, you require money, monetary support. If government provide, we can have national beach football in Goa. And 2025, if government giving full backing, it required almost 10 to 25 crores to host AFC Cup. So we can have a best beach soccer in Goa, in India, if government support. So I can put my all best effort to get it in Goa, but we don't, as everyone knows, GFA doesn't have monetary strong. Local MLA already said, now our Panjim mayor also, he say we can jointly organize beach soccer. So if government, they are the government, if they support, we are ready. I will make sure that we will get Indian soccer here and AFC Cup to be held in 2025.
तर सरकार कितलीशे अब्जांनी पयशे आज मोडले कडेन आसा तुका हेका दिवपाना अशें दिसता तर सरकार
सांगपाक दूख लागता गव्हर्मेंटान फुटबॉलाक पयशे कांयच खर्च करूंक ना आयज आमचेर बरे गव्हर्मेंटान पयशे खर्च केल्ले जाल्यार आमचो फुटबॉल दुसऱ्या लेवलाचेर आसपाचो हांवें सांगलां अशें लास्ट टायमूय 1 वर्स जालें आमचें ओन्ली गव्हर्मेंटान 12 लाख दिल्ले आसा आनी आय एम इन पॉझिटीव मूड आयज ना जाल्यार फाल्यां आमचो ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टर डायनामीक आसा स्पोर्ट्स मिनिस्टर एंड एंटायर गव्हर्मेंट दे वील सपोर्ट फुटबॉल टू प्रमोट टुरिजम एंड फिटनेस
आज दिवपाची गरज ना तुमकां फंड्स मेळटा म्हणून अंदाज धरता
आमी म्हणलेलें भिवपाची गरज ना म्हणून आनी आतांय म्हणटा भिवपाची गरज ऑलरेडी 6 crores तेंच्यांनी बजेटान एप्रूव करून घेतल्या फर्स्ट टायम इन हिस्ट्री सो एकदां ते मेवले तुमी पयलां आसतलें लास्ट 1 वर्सांनी एज अ GFA एफर्ट घालून दुसऱ्याच लेवलार पाविल्लो आसा एवरी विलेजीन नाव फुटबॉल चलता आमी आमची माणकुली भुरगीं अंडर 17 आफ्टर 22 years वी वॉन द ट्रॉफी आयज तुमी पयलां आमकां सिल्वर मॅडल मेळिल्लें आसा आनी मनी सी कितें करपाक वयता जाल्यार पयशे जाय पयशे नासतना आमी कांयच करपाक शकचे ना इफ गव्हर्मेंट आनी स्पोर्ट्स मिनिस्टर CM तेंच्यांनी सपोर्ट केलो आनी आमचो लोकल MLA सदांच फुटबॉलान म्हाका तो सदांच सांगता आमी हिंगा टोर्नामेंट कोरया रे आनी तो आतां इमिजिएटली विलेज कप करपाचो आसा हितून सो GFAचो सदांच सपोर्ट आसतलो वेर फुटबॉल कॅन बी इम्प्रूव्ड.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.